Now in 5 steps, get ready to unlock a thrilling adventure of learning, fun, creativity, and engagement. Now the first step to gamifying your studies is to set up a reward system. Before this video ends, I will show you why games and exams give rewards, but games tend to be more addictive than your studying. The high scores you see in games gives you a sense of accomplishment in playing the game. Now think about something you really enjoy doing. After completing a number of study sessions in, let's say, 2 hours, reward yourself with that activity. The second point to making your studies as exciting as the game you play is to make the studying a challenge. You can use learning apps to create quizzes to prepare you for a challenge, rather than just reading and immediately going to bed. Some of these apps include Quizzes, Quizlet, Duolingo, and many others you can find on your App Store or your Play Store. The third point to gamifying your studies is to use a study group or join a study group. Games help you connect with other players online to share your accomplishments or even accomplish tasks together. You can also benefit from peer-to-peer learning, which brings a unique perspective, which helps you to understand concepts better. The fourth point to making your studying as exciting as your game is to track your progress. The thought of not finishing a level and anticipation is so motivating that, in fact, it gets you in front of your gaming device without motivation. Now, apps like Habitica and Forest helps you plan, track your progress, and achieve your goals. This makes the studying motivating even before you start. So the same way that you track your progress in gaming, you can use these apps I've mentioned and even more to also track your progress in learning. Now, before I give you the fifth point, I'm going to show you why gaming gets addictive but your studying does not. This is simple. The simple reason is that the reward gaming gives you is very immediate, but the reward you receive from studying is delayed. Imagine writing a test and then you'll be given the result the next or some weeks after. You realize that the reward is not immediate. Now to the fifth and final point as to how to gamify your studies is to make your learning social. We are in the 21st century, and what you need to do to make your studying exciting is to join Facebook groups and then subreddits which are like-minded like you. They are also students who find themselves learning what you are learning. Share your progress and achievements. This will make you more accountable. Now, if you find yourself always distracted, I would urge you to click on the video floating on the screen to help you know what to do to make social media a way to even learn more.